Hello and welcome in our session. I'm Instructor Eugene from IPRC Kigali, Department of Civil Engineering, Trade of Road Construction. And today we are going in a module of wall construction. So as the name says, it is honeycomb retaining wall construction. So you know that retaining wall construction, it is preferred to be constructed when we found that the angle of the cut, it is greater than the angle of repose of the soil. So it is constructed in order to retain the soil so that it will not collapse. Today, as we will perform honeycomb retaining wall construction, we will use some tools, equipment, and the consumables, of course, like materials. In the tools that we have a shovel. This shovel, it is used to take materials like soil, like sand and gravels. We have also a hoe, which is used in excavation, where you have excavated if you are excavating the soft soil. We have also a pick. This pick, it is used in excavation when the soil is hard. We have a spirit level. It is used to check verticality and horizontality as we build these walls. We have claw hammer. This is used to fix nails. This is club hammer. It is used to dress stones. This is plastic mallet. It is used to knock on the blocks so that they will not break. Here we have chisels that we use if we need to adjust some small cut on our block. This is a tape measure. Tape measure, it is used to take measurements. We have compacting rod. It is used to compact, but the force it is small comparing to the machine. Here we have building line. It is used to building the building unit on the same line. This was our tools. We have also equipment. From the equipment, first of all, we needed to have PPE or personal protective equipment. So from this, we have a strong boot. You need to have strong boot because you are working in stones, in blocks. So you need to have strong boots to protect your feet. You need also to have a jacket in order to protect your clothes. You need also to have hand gloves. These are hand gloves. They are used to protect the hands. And then sometimes we may need the safety goggles, like when we are using the angle grinders. Angle grinder, it is here, we have it. So means we will need safety goggles. This is angle grinder, it is used to cut. Equipment also, we have plate compactor machine. This is called plate compactor machine. We have also materials. The materials that we will use gravels, we will use sand. We will also use the honeycomb blocks. This is honeycomb block. Okay. For now, we may start our retaining wall construction. By starting, step number one, as we did, it was to cut or to excavate. You excavate where you are going to construct, and then you build the separating walls. After building separating walls, you have to put gravels. So now we are going to start by filling gravels. So here we are making a pad. We are making a pad which will be done by using gravels and applying the sand. This structure of honeycomb, as we said, it is a retaining wall. So it is retaining wall, and it is having a purpose of protecting the land for not sliding. But this type of retaining wall, it is used when drainage is on plyo, and also aesthetic and drainage if they are at plyo. So we have to use honeycomb retaining wall construction. So we may start filling the gravels. So our gravels will ensure the good drainage of honeycomb. So it is a part which is having a duty of foundation, but it will be foundation, drainage foundation, So it will help, or it will let water pass through it, and then here it will not destroy our structure. And now may start compacting. So this is our plate compactor machine. This plate compactor machine, it is having wheels for transportation. So these are wheels. Here we have wheels for the transportation. But if we are going to use it, we have to pull up the wheels. Okay, and then it needs to be held here tight. So put it tight, and then here we may start using. And then before using, you need to know whether you have the fuel. So fuel is there, no problem. And then you need to check also the engine oil. Okay, engine oil, it is here. The gauge is here for engine oil. So engine oil is there, no problem. So for now, we may start our work. And also, you need to make sure whether you have or you don't have water. So here I don't have water for compaction, so I needed to add. Then here I have a valve where I may open. So you are seeing water is going down. So this water will be used in a compaction to get the optimum compaction according to the concern of the engineer. And now, before starting, I have starting working. I have to start the machine, and I let it about 2 minutes so that the engine oil may reach all the parts of engine. So here I have buttons. Here I have fuel. Here I have fuel. So I have to push it in this direction. Okay. And then here I have switch. Here also I have emergency switch. I have to switch on. And then this is an accelerator. So I push it a little bit. And then I may start pulling to start. And I may start working. May start compacting. For the compaction, I have to increase. Here on, I have to accelerate more. If I accelerate more, it will start compacting. And also, by using this button here, it will start compacting. I put second layer, and then after also I compact.